welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about eyebrows. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do your eyebrows properly. So this is a sort of eyebrow look which I generally like to wear on a regular basis, and I use a few products to achieve this look. So in this video I'm going to show you each and every step of doing your eyebrows, and I hope you're going to like this video. And if you want to know how you can do your eyebrows properly, then please keep on watching. So you can see my face is looking really naked as I have not done my eyebrows. Now it's time to do my eyebrows. So for the first thing that you need is a very good spoolie brush, and this one is from PAC. You can even use an old mascara brush for this purpose, but make sure that it's clean. So taking the spoolie, I'm gonna brush out my eyebrows like this in order to know the actual shape of my eyebrow. So you can see this is the actual shape of my eyebrow, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows following the natural shape of my brow. Now I'm gonna just brush it down to know the natural eyebrow line in order to outline it. So step number 1 is outlining and giving shape to your eyebrows. So for this purpose you just need an eyebrow pencil like this. I'm using this one from Nykaa. It's a retractable pencil which comes with an eyebrow product on one side and the spoolie on the other, and it's not that pigmented, so it will be easier for me to outline my brow with it. So I'm starting from the top of my brow and then just outlining my brow like this. So this will give a proper shape to my brow, and in the bottom part I'm starting somewhere from the middle, leaving the front part and extending the line towards the end to connect the two lines together to create the tail of my eyebrow. So you can see this is just giving a proper shape to my eyebrow, and in the front part I'm just using very light-handed way to outline it in order to make it a lot more natural. Now using very small strokes, I'm gonna fill in the gaps of my eyebrows using the same product. Since I have got quite a lot of gaps in my eyebrows, I just need to fill them using small strokes. And in the front part, I'm also using a hair-like strokes like this to create a natural looking brow. We'll be doing the same thing on my left eyebrow as well, just brushing it out, giving it a proper shape, and then we'll be just filling in my eyebrows using the same product. Now using the spoolie it comes with, I'm gonna brush it out to distribute the product all over my brows. So you can see this has given such a nice proper shape to my brows, and I am really liking it. So step number 2 is filling in your eyebrows. So for this you just need an eyebrow powder like this, or even you can use an eyebrow pomade. I'm using this one from Nykaa, and it's a really pigmented product, and it comes with a sponge tip applicator which helps in distributing the product so well. So presently I'm really liking this product. So I'm gonna start somewhere from the middle of my eyebrow like this, and then started on feeling it from the middle and then just extend it towards the tail of my brow. I'm gonna fill in and concentrate the maximum amount of product in the middle and the arch of my eyebrow like this. And whatever product is left in the brush, I'm gonna concentrate it in the front of my brow like this. So in the front you will be putting the least amount of product, as it will make your eyebrow look really natural and nice. If you put too much product in the front, it will make your eyebrow look artificial and too bold, which is not likable by all. So now I'm just using a spoolie brush to distribute the product all over my brows like this, and it is looking really pigmented and nice. We'll be doing the same thing on my left eyebrow, just filling it in using the same product, and then we'll be just brushing this out using the spoolie. So step number 3 is cleaning your eyebrows. Since you get product fallouts here and there surrounding your eyebrows, you just need to clean it. And the first thing you need for this purpose is a very steep flat shader brush. I'm using this one from ZOEVA. You can use any flat eye brush you have in your collection, and you need a concealer or a foundation very close to your skin tone. So what I'm doing is that I'm taking the concealer on this flat shader brush like this, Now I am just cleaning the bottom part of my eyebrow like this. So what you have to do is that, guys, basically you will be doing your eyebrow at first and then carry on with your eye makeup, so it will be easier for you to clean your eyebrows. But for the sake of the video, guys, I have already done my eye makeup. Now I'm doing my eyebrows, so I'm cleaning it very carefully so that I wouldn't spoil my eyebrows as well as my eye makeup. So I am just distributing the concealer surrounding my brows like this. Now I'm gonna just blend the concealer into my skin really well so that it looks much more natural. So take your time and blend it. So cleaning your eyebrows actually makes your eyebrow look really prominent and nice. It just gives such a nice, neat and clean look to your eyebrows, which I really like, guys. But you just need to blend the concealer and foundation surrounding your eyebrows really well. So I am cleaning all the surrounding regions of my eyebrows very carefully and very nicely. We'll be doing the same thing on my left eyebrow as well, cleaning the bottom part of my brow followed up with the upper part of my brow. So cleaning your eyebrows with the help of a concealer is so satisfying, guys. It just is so satisfying. It makes you look so put together. It just makes your overall look so nice. I really like cleaning my brows, so I'm gonna clean all the surrounding areas of my brows like this. So take your time and blend the concealer or the foundation surrounding your brows, because this will just make everything so nice. Now using a highlighter, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. This will just add such a nice lift to your eyebrows. We'll be also putting a little bit of highlighter just above the arch line of my brow. This will add such a nice highlighted look to my eyebrows as well. So this is how I generally do my eyebrows, guys, and I quite enjoy doing my eyebrows. So that's it for today, guys. This is how I do my bold eyebrows on a regular basis. And if you like this video, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We'll see you soon in my next video. I love you. Bye.